Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Behance account. First, on your search bar, go and search for Behance Sign Up. Now, click on this site. After that, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now, for the new user, go and select Create an Account. Here, you can go and sign up with email or select from these different social medias. For my case, I'm going to select this Google account. Once you've chosen the account that you want, go and continue with it. Now, add in the date of your birth, like the month, and also the year. You can also go and select your country or region. Once done, you can choose for them to contact you via email or not. After that, just go and create the account button. Now, select from this option whether you're a freelancer or a hirer. Select one based on what you are. After that, pick one or more topics based on your liking and see your custom feed. Now, you can select a plan, whether a free or pro plan. But that's just basically it. Your Behance account is now created. You can now go ahead and configure it as you want. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.